Hey Plant Machine, welcome back to the Beginner Plant series. Last week I talked all about the level 0 plants. What are those? Those plants that you literally cannot kill, or at least if you have, please let me know because I want to know how you manage that. Today I'm going to be talking all about level 1 plants. So those are a bit more finicky but still so easy to take care of, especially if you're a beginner, that please just listen on and then you'll know which one to buy. Level 1 plants, the classics. So for this section, I cannot not talk about the glorious Pothos. This is a classic for a reason. It grows so well and so fast, and it is gorgeous. Can you see this foliage? I love it. So this is a vining plant, as you can see, and it is super easy to take care of because it just roots so fast and so easily. So I don't know if you can see, but this is a root. So it used to be hanging a bit more, and then I thought I wanted it to look a bit more fuller, and so I took the vine and plopped it down and secured it, and then it started rooting, which is amazing. So you can do a lot of different things with these plants. You can get them to bush up, or you can get them to propel down. They're really amazing. I have a prop of the Pothos right here, and I'm going to show you. I cut this a few weeks ago, and look at the root growth already. It's incredible, and somehow, that's moldy. Somehow they've started growing a new leaf, even in the water. It's amazing. So anyway, this just shows how easy it is to take care of the Pothos. It will just propagate super easily as well. So if you've never propagated anything before, I recommend starting with the Pothos because it is just the safest, easiest propagation plant try that you'll ever have. What's great about the Pothos is that it comes in all shapes and sizes and colors as well. It's a massive family of plants. There's so many different kinds, but they're all super easy to take care of. So really, if you ever see a Pothos plant, just buy it. Or if some of your friends have a Pothos plant, ask them if you can take a cutting, because then you'll have a new plant yourself, as long as you start rooting it. Again, you'll see there's a pattern here. The Pothos doesn't like to be watered too much. This is really common for most plants, really. They just don't like to keep their little, feet, their roots wet over a long period of time. So again, do the index finger trick that I talked about in my watering video. If the soil is still, wet, even a few centimeters inside the soil, just don't water the plant again. It'll be fine. Look, variegated. It's gorgeous. This is a satin Pothos. So this is a cousin of this common Pothos. As you can see, it's gorgeous and trailing. Amazing. And these can get really big as well. So this one as well, like its cousin, doesn't like to be too wet, so again, don't over water it. Another level 2 plants are any type of succulent. So these are, cactus and succulents are like this, so they're a bit waxy and thick. I guess they just thrive, in drier soil again, and I just let them be. I don't really do anything to it. This was a cutting that I got from a friend. Thanks, Alex. And it's just thriving. I love it. Don't put them in bright direct sunlight because they will burn off. I did do that mistake with this one. As you can see, it's a bit sunburned. Sorry. And quickly, I thought I'd talk about the beautiful common English ivy. So this is another plant that I got from Morrison's. Morrison's keeps on giving and giving. This is super easy to take care of. It just thrives in any environment, really. And again, it doesn't like to be too wet. But I've never had any issues. This is actually a cutting from my mother plant, the parent plant, and it's just doing so well. So that's it on the level 1 plants for this video. Let me know which of the level 1 plants that I showed to you today were your favorites. I'd love to know. And please subscribe and propagate this video among your friends and family. And I will see you really soon. Bye!